My name is Sundram and I'm from 8H, and we will be your hosts for today.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to be blown away with our holiday special performances today.
The performers have put in so much effort into their musical pieces, so sing along and get ready to make some beautiful memories. But first, let's go into some detail about the holiday season. The holiday season not only includes Christmas, but also numerous other holidays such as Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, St. Nicholas Day, Yule, Bodhi Day, and more. Before we start today's program, Viha, do you want to hear my fabulous joke?
Not one of your lame jokes again, but sure, go ahead.
Why did the snowman bring a microphone to the concert?
Why?
Because he wanted to melt everyone's heart with his singing?
Good one. Why don't we leave the singing to our talented performers?
Fine.
Our first act is a group of young singers led by Miss Gujidar and Miss Lugo. They will dazzle us with their beautiful voices today. They are performing the songs Rocking Around the Christmas Tree, All I Want for Christmas Is You, Jingle Bell Rock, and Where Are You Christmas? Get ready to be enchanted by their harmonies and festive spirits. Give it up for our very own Centennial Choir!
Are you okay with that? Can I hear your voices again? Oh my gosh. Okay. Do you guys know the song Winter Wonderland? I got mixed results there. I don't know it either. I'm doing a great job. Okay. We're gonna wait for them. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? Sing in the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. I don't hear you guys. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the bluebird, who sings a song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. There we go. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he just passes around. You'll say, are you married? You'll say, no, man. Like you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll inspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter, walking in a winter, walking in a winter wonderland. I didn't hear any of you guys sing.
Thank you.
I heard the smallest amount of sing. Unless you better have a name on it.
Wow, that was a wonderful performance. Their sing was crazy.
Hey, Viha, do you think it's time for Centennial to show their beautiful voices off once again?
Yup, I think it's time for them to sing along again. Let's welcome to the stage Eden, Bonnie, and Bhanvi
I was
from
on here.
AG.
Okay, Centennial, because I literally had no time to hype you guys up, you're gonna do this again. At every single sports game, we do Lions on 3, so we'll do that here. 1, 2, 3. Really? Really, you're giving me that? No, we're doing that again. 1, 2, 3. Better, but just for fun to stall, we're gonna do it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Finally, that took too long. All right, we'll be singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You should all know it. Let me hear you cheer! Okay.
time to announce the door decorating winners.